Submitting documents to Discord for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your submission is successful. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Gather all necessary documents that Discord requires for account verification. This may include identification, proof of address, or any other relevant information. Step 2. Log into your Discord account. Open the Discord app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure that you are using the account that requires document submission. Step 3. Navigate to the support page. Go to the Discord support page by clicking on the Help or Support option in the app or website. Look for the section related to account verification or document submission. Step 4. Submit your documents. Follow the instructions provided on the support page to upload your documents. Make sure to attach the files in the required format and ensure they are clear and legible. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading your documents, check for any confirmation message or email from Discord indicating that your submission has been received. Keep an eye on your email for any further instructions or updates regarding your account approval. Thank you for following these steps. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to Discord support for assistance.